Hi guys, Kevin here. So I've had problems in the past where my foot slipped off of the clutch when I went to push on it because my foot was slightly wet. I wear flat bottom soled shoes, and I know you can buy pads for these things and stuff like that, but a simple little fix is all I did was take a file, triangular file, and I filed notches across like this on both sides, across this way, across that way, and across this way, and I did a little one up and down. Same I did on the brake pedal. And what I find is that just adds the perfect amount of traction so my foot doesn't slip off anymore. So I've done it for a little while and tried it out, and it works pretty good. So I just wanted to pass this little tip on to you guys, and something you can do. It's a quick fix, and they're just aluminum pedals, so they're really easy to file and put a little groove in and add some traction to it. Well, hope this helps you out. Take care.